thank you for joining me today on Stacey Lee Beauty. We are going to be talking about some skincare. So I just cleansed my face. I'm not sure what this red marker right here is. Today I am going to be doing my first ever peel. So this is a Glycolic Acid 30% gel peel, Retinol green tea brand, and what the box looks like. It is made in the US, and this does retail. This is 1 fluid ounce. So here's the size of that. And this retails for $24.95. If you want 2 ounces, it retails for $34.95. So $24.95 for 1 ounce, $34.95 for 2 ounce, and that is on Amazon. And when you get the bottle, if you peel it, it gives you the directions right here. It does say on the box that it is important to read through all the instructions before you do this. Let's read through the directions that they said. You want to pre-peel treatment. You want to stop the use of masks, scrubs, exfoliating, self-tanners, any other retinols or vitamin creams that can potentially irritate your skin for 48 hours before applying the peel. Do not shave or wax facial hair for 48 hours before. And avoid sun exposure and tanning for 1 week prior to doing the peel. If it's your first time, they recommend that you test a small spot under your chin before applying to the full face to make sure you don't have an allergic reaction. Leave the peel on for no more than 30 seconds. You remove the peel by cleansing the area with water. Wait 24 hours and monitor skin for redness and irritation. The peel procedure: once you complete the patch test, you remove makeup and thoroughly cleanse the face, pat dry. So I've done that. You apply this to a cotton pad or a swab and apply to the face, starting with the forehead, working downwards to the cheeks and the chin, and then to nose and neck. So you avoid your eye area, ears, and lips. If you're worried about it getting into those areas, you can apply petroleum jelly to those areas not to be touched. So the first time users, that'd be me. And I've never even had a peel done like at a salon or anything. So real first time. Once the peel is applied to the entire face, you leave the product on for no longer than 30 seconds. So this must be some strong stuff. This important step ensures that the skin can tolerate the acid peel before increasing the duration in the next application. And as long as I don't have any allergic reactions to this, I will continue to do this and, apply it a little bit longer. If you want to follow the journey of how this goes, doing it more than once, follow me over on Instagram, because I will continue to update over there, at least in my stories. If not, I probably will do a post, but for sure in the stories. The peel is left on, the deeper it penetrates and the longer the recovery time. I'm kind of nervous about this. Once the peel is applied, watch skin as well as the clock. When skin is turning pink, it is time to neutralize the acid peel with water. Do not leave the peel on the skin for more than 8 minutes. So 8 minutes is max. Stop the peel by thoroughly rinsing skin with cool water. Gently pat dry with soft towel, and then you put on moisturizer. So then after I do this, we will talk about the post-peel treatment. I'm a little excited to try it, but a little nervous, because whenever I think of face peels, I don't know if you think of this, but if you're a Sex and the City fan, let me know down below what you immediately think of Sex and the City and face peels. You can pause it or I'll wait. Leave it down below. What do you instantly think of? What I instantly think of is Samantha when she got that chemical peel and her face then ended up turning like so red. And I think she was going to like a high-end social event and she had that like veil with the hat over her face. That was such a good show. Okay, so what we're gonna do is I forgot to grab some cotton pads. So I'll go do that and then we'll get started. This is cruelty-free, fragrance-free, sulfate-free, paraben, and GMO-free. So let me read the instructions again. I just want to make sure I get it right. And then we'll talk about the purpose of this. No longer than 30 seconds. So, right, yeah. So what I'm gonna do is I'm not gonna start it yet, but I'm gonna set my timer for 25 seconds because that will give me time to go to the bathroom and rinse it off with the sink. And it probably won't even take me 5 seconds to get there, but I don't want to go over, so. But I'm not starting it yet. It doesn't really tell you how many drops to put on. I'll just go like this. So I'm gonna, oh, okay, I didn't expect it to shoot that way. There we go. We're gonna go forehead. Man, I don't know what is that red dot. And then there's a little bit of tingling, but not really much. There's no burning or anything like that. And there's no fragrance. Not smelling anything. And I am applying a little bit more each time. Ooh, now there's definitely some tingling. Maybe a little bit of burning on my nose. That one I don't feel it anywhere else, but yeah, there I felt a little zapper. Okay. I'm not gonna go all the way down. So now we're gonna set the timer. There you go. Oh, is that focusing? Yeah. So yeah, I feel a little bit of tingling. Like I said, I don't know if I got enough or too much, but I figure for the first time it's better to go light-handed. And yeah, there was definitely some tingling on the nose. Right now, there's a little bit of tingling right here on this side of my nose. On the forehead. Oh, wow, that was quick. Okay, I'm gonna go rinse off. So we are back, and I still have that redness right there. That's a new development. I rinsed my face from the peel, and it wasn't meant to like peel your skin, like it come off. It's supposed to be more, I think, of a gentle peel from what I understand, but I feel like my skin looks brighter and it doesn't feel tingling. The only place, I do not have sensitive skin, I have dry skin, and the only place I'm feeling any kind of sensation is like right here. So I don't know, I might try to contact them and see what that means, but like right here. Does it mean like I have a lot of crud in my pores or what there? But other than that, I just feel like uber ultra clean and fresh. And I didn't put moisturizer on yet, but I do definitely feel like I need moisturizer, but it doesn't feel like it's pulling or real dry or anything like that. Yeah, it's just feels really soft. So I definitely, unless I have some kind of reaction when I wake up tomorrow, I'm doing this in the evening, I will definitely kind of give this another look. Let's talk about what is the purpose of this? Why do it? What I was reading is that the glycolic acid is a cell renewal to decongest pores. So that's why I'm thinking maybe I got a lot of stuff in there, and remove impurities. It reduces fine lines, wrinkles, and minimizes the appearance of pores. The retinol supports healthy skin. The soothing green tea soothes and calms the skin and improves the appearance of sun damage. So the founder of this is Kevin Malore. I'm not sure if I'm saying that right. Kevin, let's just say Kevin. He is a cosmetic chemist. And like I said, it is free of fragrance, sulfate, parabens, cruelty-free, and GMO-free. And, oh, you know what? I didn't look. Oops. Okay, well, I didn't look if the skin was turning pink. Because it says when the skin turns pink, rinse with cool water. But my time was up. And you do not want to apply any foundation for 12 hours after this. So if you normally wear foundation, I would recommend doing it in the evening before you go to bed, or on a day when you're not going to be going anywhere or not going to be wanting to wear foundation. So there is a couple other things on here that for post-peel treatment. Not exercise or induce sweat for 2 hours after applying the peel. And do not use exfoliating scrubs for 3 to 5 days. Do not rub, pick, or scratch skin after applying the peel. This can cause irritation. Do not use retinol, vitamin A products for 48 hours after applying the peel. You can apply, well, they recommend, of course, their night cream or moisturizer twice daily. You can use their toner and any of their hyaluronic acid serum following the peel. Do not wear foundation, like I said, for 12 hours. Always wear sunscreen. Avoid the sun for 48 hours after the peel. And you may be wondering, like I was, well, once I do this, how long do I have to wait to do another one? Because like I said, my skin feels really, really soft right now. So if I don't have any irritation, I definitely want to do it more. So you need to wait at least 3 weeks before applying another peel. Then apply the peel once every 3 to 4 weeks for maintenance. Monitor your skin during all treatments and discontinue if any redness or burning ensues. Really didn't use that much at all. So yeah, I was scared about it. I thought like, what's gonna happen? But yeah, my skin feels just really, really soft and smooth. Very, very smooth. And then, like I said earlier, if you want to follow my journey 3 weeks from now and see how the next round goes, make sure you are following me over on Instagram. I will probably do an Instagram story. Let me know what you think of it. If you have stayed until the end, if you're watching my videos this month, you will know that I am preparing to do an end of the year giveaway. And I want it to go to my subscribers. And so if you've watched until the end, please leave me a comment if you have ever done a peel before, whether you've done it at home, the salon, or never. And if you would be interested in trying a peel, what your thoughts are on it, any of that, and leave your favorite emoji. I'm excited to try this out. Yeah, look how, let me get close. Look how smooth. I feel like it looks really smooth and soft, and I don't know what, like I said, what that redness is, but yay! So first impression, I was scared for nothing. I wasn't really scared, but I was apprehensive. But yes, so thanks for watching. If you are not already, hit that subscribe button.